examination questions on Indian polity and governance, complete with answers and concise explanations. 1. Constitutional governance and principles. Q1. Which one of the following statements best reflects the chief purpose of the Constitution of a country? UPSC Prelims. A. It determines the objective for the making of necessary laws. B. It enables the creation of political offices and a government. C. It defines and limits the powers of government. D. It secures social justice, social equality, and social security. Answer. C. Explanation. Constitutionalism at its core refers to a limited government. The primary objective of a constitution is to establish a framework that defines and restricts the powers of government organs to prevent arbitrary authority and safeguard citizens' rights. 2. Fundamental rights and judiciary. Q2. Under the Indian Constitution, concentration of wealth violates UPSC Prelims. A. The right to equality. B. The directive principles of state policy. C. The right to freedom. D. The concept of welfare. Answer. B. Explanation. Article 39, C, under Part 4, Directive Principles of State Policy, directs the state to ensure that the operation of the economic system does not result in the concentration of wealth and means of production to the common detriment. Q3. Right to privacy is protected under which article of the Constitution of India? UPSC Prelims. A. Article 15. B. Article 19. C. Article 21. D. Article 29. Answer. C. Explanation. In the landmark K.S. Puttaswamy v. Union of India, 2017, case, the Supreme Court held that the right to privacy is an intrinsic part of the right to life and personal liberty guaranteed under Article 21. 3. Executive and administration. Q4. At the national level, which ministry is the nodal agency to ensure effective implementation of the Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers, Recognition of Forest Rights, Act, 2006? UPSC Prelims. A. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. B. Ministry of Panchayati Raj. C. Ministry of Rural Development. D. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Answer. D. Explanation. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs is the designated nodal agency responsible for implementing and monitoring the Forest Rights Act, FRA, 2006 across India. 4. Local self-government and decentralization. Q5. If a particular area is brought under the 5th Schedule of the Constitution of India, which one of the following statements best reflects the consequence of it? UPSC Prelims. A. This would prevent the transfer of land of tribal people to non-tribal people. B. This would create a local self-governing body in that area. C. This would convert that area into a union territory. D. The state having such an area would be declared a special category state. Answer. A. Explanation. The 5th Schedule provides for the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Its primary mechanism is prohibiting or restricting the transfer of tribal land to non-tribal persons. Where would you like to focus next? Practice questions on Parliament and legislative procedures. Explore directive principles and fundamental duties questions.